What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to finally be getting around to unboxing and pairing my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. So I've had these probably about 3 weeks now, but just now getting around to it. I wanted to specifically pair these with my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you guys follow my channel, you know this is my second Z Fold 3. I sent the first one back, then trying to get it back again was a big story there. So just say I got it back, and now I want to pair with the Z Fold 3. So I've been using the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. These have been pretty good so far. We're going to check these out and see if there's any difference, or see if I like these better. So some of the features on the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. These are active noise canceling earbuds. These are AKG tuned. These feature low latency, ambient sound mode. These are supposed to be 10% smaller than the Galaxy Buds Plus. These feature 3 microphones for noise reduction. They're supposed to be 7.5 hours of battery life on the buds, and the case you're supposed to get 20.5 hours. Now the case is wireless charging. These feature Bluetooth 5.2. These are IPX2 water resistant, and you can get these in 4 different colors. I got the graphite, but they come in lavender, white, and olive. So those are a few of the features. You can go over, I'll drop a link in the description where you can go over and read up some more about these if you want, and a purchase link as well. So let's go ahead and look at the box. So the box is pretty simple. Some of the same stuff I read off there. Clear and rich sound with 2-way speakers, active noise canceling, comfortable fit, and 5 to 20 hours play time. So that is that. A nice picture of the device there. So let's get the unboxing knife out. Crack these open and see what we got. Well, if I get the tape. I tried to cut it on side there was no tape, so it's time for a new unboxing knife, but that one to do for now. So here's the packaging. Of course, you're going to get your earbuds, and let's see what's else in here. So you're going to get your charging cable in here, which is going to be, let's get this other piece out of here. I don't want to unravel all this stuff. So you're going to get some extra earbud tips here. And then you're going to get a Type-C to USB-A. So that is all you get in the packaging. Let's get this over to the side here. And then here are the buds. Now these come in a white color case. They're going to have Samsung on them like that. You got a little power indicator light there. And then there's your Type-C charging port and Samsung branding. And then when you open this up, there's the graphite. So this actually looks pretty good, man. I like the way this looks. Looks black, but it's supposed to be graphite. As you guys see right there. Tuned by AKG. And you got your red power indicator light there, letting you know that they're fully charged. And the case is pretty small in comparison to the Buds Plus. This is what you're going to get. So these are not as wide, but they're just as thick as the Buds Plus. Now I got the red ones in the Bud Plus, but this is the, the look that you're going to get right here. These have a little bit different shape too. So let's go ahead and pull one of them out and look at it. So you're going to be marked left and right. You see this was the right one. You got your contact pins there, and you got your ear bud here. So a little bit of comparison on size here. These are definitely smaller, but these have the wings on them, keep them in the ear. Hopefully that's focusing there, guys. So there it is. Yeah, so get this one back in here. And here's the other one. Like I said, they're both going to be marked left and right. And these should be touch sensitive. Look like there's a mic right there as well. So Let's go ahead and get these paired up to the device and check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get these paired to the Z Fold 3. Here's the case that I'm rocking here. So I don't recommend this case, guys. I know this is about the Galaxy Buds Plus. I accidentally dropped my phone with this case on it. Not too much damage, but I did get a scratch here, and it kind of messed up my screen protector. When it fell, it opened up like that and damaged my phone. Now, I know this video is not about that, but I had to say it. So let's go ahead and get these paired. As you guys see, as soon as I open up the case, it brings up the pairing mode here. A new device has been found. I'm going to go ahead and connect and let it go through its thing here. Some kind of disclaimer here. I don't want to send that, so I'm going to go ahead and just accept that, and you're all set. Just like that, I am paired. Goes directly into the app here, Samsung Wearable, and as you guys see, you can see the battery percentage for the left one and the right one, and also for the case. You're going to have 36% and 69% on the buds. You do have a hamburger menu here where I do have my watch connected as well. I don't want to look at tips. This is where you can find your buds if you lose them. So the first control up here is your noise control. You got active noise canceling. You got off, and then you got ambient. I like the ambient, but I'll change that after I check them out. You do have your touch controls here that you can toggle on and off. Tap to play and pause. You can toggle that on and off. Double tap to play the next track. You can toggle that on. Triple tap to play the previous track. So I'm going to toggle this one on, and then at the bottom down here, touch and hold. So on the touch and hold, you can activate Bixby, volume up and down, Spotify. On the left one, those are your choices. On the right one, you have the same there as well. And then if you go into the menu, settings menu there, this is what you're going to get here. So a lot of different features you can activate or not. Let's go back to the main menu here. So earbud settings, you can go in and control your equalizer if you want them on normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, or treble bass boost. Bixby wake up, read your notifications out loud if you want. Seamless ear connections, earbud fit tests. You got your lab, reset, accessibility, earbuds, software update, and about earbuds. So that is all in there. You can activate Find My Earbuds, and you got your tips and user's manual here as well. So you can go in and do your test fit as well. Let's go to the next page over. You can gives you how to use the touch controls. And I got out of the app there, so let's go back into it. This is where you can add a widget to your home page, and then pairing with phone or tablet. Tells you how to do all of that. And that is pretty much it as far as the app and the Galaxy wearable app, so for your earbuds. So I'm going to listen to these for a little while, and I'll add my opinion on these to the end of the video. So stick around, guys. All right, guys, so we're back in. It's been a few hours since I made the first part of this video. After using these for a few hours, now I'm not a audiophile. I don't claim to be know everything about earbuds, but these sound great to me in comparison to the Buds Plus. They sound great. They have a little bit more bass, and actually people said these don't stay in their ears very well. Well, I have a smaller ear, and these seems to stay in my ear a whole lot better than the Buds Plus. Now I did change the tips to the smaller tips, and I get a good seal if I want to have the active noise cancellation on. I was watching a video on my desktop here, and I put these in just to get comfortable with them, and I hadn't activated the ambient sound on them, and I can tell you I could barely hear the video that was playing through my desktop here. So I immediately activated the ambient noise, and it was great. There was no latency between my Z Fold from my Z Fold 3 with music or watching videos or anything. For phone calls, they're kind of hit and miss. Some people, I could hear them, but it was kind of like an airy sound, and I did have them, in my ear pretty well. They said I sounded okay, but not the best. So these are pretty good, man. I could wear these more comfortably than the Buds Plus right here. So my first impression of them, they're pretty good. I think for me, they fit my ears a little bit better because they're smaller, and I'm not going to be running or jogging or anything like that with these. Normally when I have something like this in my ear, it's a relaxation mode. I'm listening to music. I watch some YouTube videos, maybe watch a movie. And after a couple of hours, I want to take them out, because at that point, at least with these, they started to irritate my ears. And I wore these for about maybe an hour and a half straight. My first look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.